Hey, welcome to another episode of Sip and Up. Today we're diving into the flavors of Mexico with these shrimp on corn cakes. So make yourself a glass of margarita and get ready to party with the surprisingly simple but mouth-watering bite. Let's start by preparing the shrimp, which I had already peeled, deveined, cleaned, and patted dry. For this recipe, I'm using large shrimp with 26 to 30 pieces to a pound. And I left all the tails on, as you can see, but that is only for the presentation purposes. If you don't want to, you don't have to leave them on. Add fresh lime juice, minced garlic, olive oil, chili powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it well and pop it in the fridge to marinate while we focus on the corn cakes. To make the corn cakes, prepare all the fresh ingredients as listed in the description box below. While I'm at the cutting board already, I decided to prepare the ingredients for the sauces that I'm going to need later on. Once everything is ready and measured, combine all the ingredients in the bowl. What makes these corn cakes really flavorful or corny is the fact that there are 3 forms of corn used in this recipe: the corn kernels, canned cream-style corn, and a little bit of cornmeal. If you're making these during the summer months, I would strongly recommend using fresh corn kernels off the cob, but thawed frozen corn or canned corn, which is what I'm using today, works perfectly fine. Mix it all together until it forms a smooth batter and set it aside. Now heat up a skillet over medium heat and coat the bottom with thin layer of oil. Spoon the corn cake batter into the skillet, allowing each spoonful to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and firm. Next up, it's time to cook the marinated shrimp. In the same skillet, wipe off the leftover excess oil and turn up the heat to medium-high. And cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side until they're opaque all the way through and firm to the touch. While everything cools, let's whip up some delectable sauces to accompany our dish. You can choose between a zesty lime cilantro sauce or smoky chipotle lime sauce. Or why not make both for a variety of flavors? And if you do, please let me know in the comments below which one you liked better. Now it's time for the fun part, assembly. This is where you can show your creative side with your garnishes and presentation. Today I'm adding a sprinkle of cilantro and a slice of lime, but you do you. There you have it, shrimp on corn cakes, a delightful bite bursting with flavor. So go ahead, dig in, and enjoy this delicious bite with your favorite drink. Thanks for watching. Cheers!